Evaluating functions. To evaluate a function means to find the value of the output f, x, given the input x. Study the following examples. If f of x equals 1 all over 6 minus 3, g of x equals the absolute value of x cubed minus 29, and h of x equals the quantity of 5x minus 3 times the quantity of x plus 1, find the following. 1. F of 1/2. 2. H of 0. 3. F of -10. 4. G of the cube root of 216. 5. H of 2/5. 6. G of -3. 7. F of 0.5. 8. G of 2/3. 9. H of -1. 10. F of square root of 3. Number 1. The value of x in f of x equals 1 all over 6x minus 3 is 1/12. To simplify, all you have to do is substitute the value of x in the given expression. Next, multiply 6 and 1/12 equals 6/12 or simply 1/2. Then, simplify the denominator by finding the LCD of 1/2 and -3, and that is 2. Then to divide fractions, reverse the denominator, then proceed to multiplication. This becomes 1 times -2/5. And the answer is -2/5. Number 2. H of 0 equals 5x minus 3 times the quantity of x plus 1. The same process, substitute the value of x to the given expression. Number 3. F of -10 equals 1 all over 6x minus 3. Simplify, then the answer is -1/63. Number 4. G of cube root of 216 equals the absolute value of x cubed minus 29. To simplify, substitute the value of x, which is the cube root of 216, then extract the radical symbol because the index is 3 and also the exponent. Then, the absolute value of 187 is positive 187. Number 5. H of 2/5 equals the quantity of 5x minus 3 times the quantity of x plus 1. To simplify, substitute the value of x to the given expression and follow the process on the previous example. Number 6. In this problem, we are going to multiply -3 3 times since the exponent is 3. This becomes -27. For number 7, the answer is undefined because 0 is in the denominator, but if the 0 is in the numerator, then the answer is 0. In this problem, the value of x is 2/3. After substituting the value of x to the given expression, this becomes the quantity of 2/3 raised to 3. This means we are going to multiply both numerator and denominator thrice because the exponent is 3. For number 10. Since the denominator consists of radical sign, we are going to rationalize the denominator in order to eliminate the radical symbol. Evaluate the following functions for a given value of x. If the value of x is -2 and -3/4. Number 1. F of x equals x minus 4 all over 2x minus 5. If x is -2, then the answer is 2/3. And if the value of x is -3/4, then the answer is 19/26. Number 2. F of negative equals 4x squared minus 6x plus 7. If the value of x is negative 2, then the answer is 35. When if x is negative 3/4, then the answer is 55/4. Evaluate the following piecewise functions. F of x equals negative 2 times the absolute value of 3x plus 1, plus 9, if the value of x is greater than or equal to negative 5. F of x equals 1/3 x squared plus 4, if the value of x is less than negative 5. Since the value of x is negative 6 and square root of 3, and that is less than negative 5. We use second equation. For b the value of x is 1/6, and that is greater than negative 5. We use the first equation. For c we use the first equation because the value of x is equal to negative 5. Number 2. H of x equals 1 minus 2x if x is greater than or equal to 10. H of x equals x squared over 3 plus 5x, if x is greater than negative 8 but less than positive 10. H of x equals 2 times the cube of negative x plus 4 minus 81, if x is less than or equal to 8. Evaluate the following polynomial functions for the given value of x. Number 1. x raised to 4 minus 4x cubed plus 3x squared minus 5x minus 1 if the value of x is negative 2.